Hello all. Once software development and testing is complete, then software goes on live environment and it is ready for all the end users of that software. Then the maintenance of that software starts. In this today's topic, we are going to discuss on different types of maintenance in software development processes. Please do click on below subscribe button and stay tuned. First type of software maintenance is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance includes modifications and updates done in order to correct or fix the problems in existing live software. For example, live data issues or bug fixing are the corrective maintenance. Second type of software maintenance is perfective maintenance. Perfective maintenance includes modification and updates done in order to keep the software usable over a long period of time. For example, improving performance of software and working on reliability of the software comes under perfective maintenance. Third type of software maintenance is adaptive maintenance. Now we are into technology world and it's like changing every day and business environments are also changing. Then the adaptive maintenance applies modification and updates along with those changing world of technology and business environment. For example, you have got old version of database and now you are migrating it to new version of database. So it is adaptive maintenance. Fourth type of software maintenance is preventive maintenance. Prevention is always better than cure. So preventive maintenance includes modification and updates to prevent future problems of the software. For example, system documentation can be preventive maintenance. As shown in this graph, perfective maintenance is something which is like taking most of the time. Hope this video is helpful for you to understand different types of maintenance once your software is live. We do provide different maintenance and production support services in GraphDev, so do contact us.